So Arsenal 3, King of Zamunda FC 2. We have just broken the King of Zamunda's duck. His first goal in 29 games, guys. I think his last goal was with the hat-trick against Sheffield United. First half was an absolute disgracia. Disgracia, guys. Second half, Martin Odegaard was fantastic when he came on. Gabby Jesus, hat-trick. Second goal was offside, no VAR, so I don't want to hear Top Gooners ever waffle about this ever again, about officiating. The linesman's right in line, didn't put his flag up. But, Matty, we got there in the end. Yeah, by hook or by crook. Make sure you sub to the Southern Gooner, link will be in the title. Matty, we did that watch-along. Yeah, and after watching Real Madrid myself, yeah, and I was sat there with the feet up, cigars out. I was like, yep, comfy victory, another trophy. 4 minutes in, Mateta just goes, move. And it was shit, wasn't it? We got over the line in the end.
Yeah, man. Let's just keep it a buck, man. That first half was some of the worst football I've ever seen. I mean, from top all the way down to bottom. Wherever you want to go, wherever you want to look at, it was some bad football that first half. I couldn't believe that we gave up a goal that quick. Y'all, I mean, people who watch along saw me. I just got up and walked away from the computer. I didn't even say anything. I just got up and walked away. I just couldn't believe it. I was in shock there for about 30 minutes there. I just couldn't believe what I was processing. That we're in a cup quarterfinal and we're giving up those kind of goals. Thomas Partey, right center back. You know, you just look across the pitch. You know, it was times that Ethan was dribbling. He had nobody to pass it to. He's circling around, just circling. He's circling around like a ship, just trying to figure out where he needs to go, where he needs to turn. Nothing was there. Sterling, point blank misses. Point blank misses. He's got a habit of doing this, by the way, on our team. Chelsea people, Chelsea fans, they warned us. Chelsea fans warned us. They said, "Oh, you're going to see he's going to frustrate you. He's right there. Just put it in the back of the net." No, just and then the rebound off the post. Tierney comes in tonight, does a great job. Manager decides he wants to push him down. That kind of was what's going on here. Then Jesus rises like a phoenix from the ashes tonight. 3 goals. I'm glad he scored 3 goals tonight. He needed it. But let me ask everybody a question. Let's ask everybody a question, Lee. Is he going to do this for the rest of the season? Is he going to be scoring 2 goals here, 1 goal there? Is he going to go on a run of goals for about 18? We need 18 goals. Is he going to give us 18 goals? No. No. So enjoy it while it lasted. And I've heard a lot of people tonight say that that's his Nketiah moment. Basically what Nketiah did with Sheffield last year. They said, just wait. This was his moment. But let's be realistic. Let's get right down to what it really is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to keep it 100 with you. I'm going to keep it 100%. This manager is going to have to manage this semifinal coming up. And when I say manage, he's going to have to put out the best available team, both legs. Because we are 3 games away, 3 wins away from a piece of silverware. I don't want folks coming in the next several weeks talking about, oh, well, man, we can rest this person. There's no resting. There's no rest for the weary. There's no rest for the weary. Ain't no love in the heart of the city. To quote Bruce Springsteen. We have got to come out with the strongest team we have possible because we are on the doorstep of a trophy. And all bodies, all hands on deck. I am issuing a rally cry to Arsenal Football Club to bring home some silverware. We shouldn't be there because we had 2 offside goals tonight. But hey, you know what? I'll take it. And I'm gonna be shameless tonight because that puts us in the semifinal. Make the most of it, Arsenal, because we don't get these opportunities too often. We don't get them too often, buddy. So we've got to go out there, whoever it is, and it doesn't matter because there's no hiding anymore. Newcastle could be Liverpool, could be United, could even be Spurs. And guess what? There's no running anymore. This manager is now going to have to go into his book and have to go through, and he's going to have to manage these games. He's got to earn all of that $15 million a year, that check. He's got to earn all of it now. There's going to be a lot of stress on Arteta's brain going forward, starting January 6th, the week of January 6th. There's going to be a lot of stress because he's going to have to learn how to manage. January is going to tell us a lot about this manager because we got a lot of shit going on. Excuse me, we got a lot going on. And in January, you've got an FA Cup. You've got some dynamic fixtures in the league. Champions League will be lurking soon. Carabao Cup is on the way. Oh, yeah. We've got a lot of juicy fixtures coming down the pipe. And he's going to have to look within and find the best that he can bring out of himself. This is it, Arteta. This is what you wanted. When you signed up to become manager of Arsenal Football Club, this is what you signed up for, to win trophies. All of this feel good, all of these collection plates you talking about you won. Now it's time to put up or shut up because now silverware is on the line, Mr. Arteta. You don't have Aubameyang to bail you out this time. You don't have the luxury of having another man's team to carry you to glory. This time, you've got to get your troops and you've got to rally those troops to go out on the pitch and put out the optimum performance to lead us to success. And this is all of this, Lee, is going to fall in the hands of Mikel Arteta. This is put up or shut up because tonight technically was put up or shut up based off of those stupid comments yesterday in that press conference. But now it is the ultimate. This is the ultimate for all of the Arteta ends, for all of the we've got the best looking Spaniard, for all of the we've got Super Mikel Arteta. This is it. This is it. Because we actually can touch this silverware. We're actually 3 games away. We were 8 points before, couldn't get over the line. Now we're 3 wins away from glory. Whether you rate this cup or not, I know for me, I need to see this cup. This is one of the only cups I've never seen us win, Lee.
Yeah, because of CV rights.
Yeah, so this is
not because of age, but because of CV rights. Yeah.
This means a lot to me. This means a lot.
This means a lot to us.
Yeah,
and we're seen as negative and toxic, Matty. Yeah, we've said all season, win this cup. We've said for 5 seasons, win this cup.
Yeah. And Lee, I have sat here. I was coming home today to watch the game, and I said we better win this game. I was on my way home from getting dinner rather, because I knew we were going to run late tonight. I said, let me get dinner. I'm on my way home. I said, we better damn win this game tonight. That's why I got up and walked away. I was so pissed. I was so pissed.
You were disgusted.
You
look like Thierry Henry talking about Martinelli when he was on the touchline against the low.
I was just sick to my stomach when I saw that. We better win this cup, y'all. It's a lot of our fans that say, oh, this is a small cup, this and that, and this and that. You don't ever turn your nose up at a chance to win silverware under no circumstance. Anytime you have an honor to put silverware in your trophy, it is always to be taken advantage of. You're supposed to win that. You're supposed to go for it. What the hell are you in this business for if you're not there to be successful? This could actually save the season. I want people to understand what I just said. This cup could very well save this season.
Yeah.
And give these players some hope. Because these players need some hope right now. These players need to be able to believe that we can get over the line. This is what this cup is for. And this is what they should be going. This manager has to find a way. He has to search within this time, Lee. That's the beauty of this. This is the beauty. See, this is coaching now. We're getting down to what I used to do for a living. Lee, you have to look within. and you've got to check your ego at the door. And guess what he's got to do, Lee? Do what's best for the team. He's got to do what's best for the team now. Not what you want to do, not your ego, not stand on the sidelines to try to draw attention. You got to learn how to coach yourself out of situations. You got to learn to go and watch tape. You got to go back and learn how to study the opponents you're getting ready to play. Liverpool played most of their kids tonight.
Yeah, they still won.
And still won.
And we got Arsenal fans sat on Twitter. Yeah, Rory talks wanker. Yeah, it always looks like he's having a prostate check. Yeah, like real talk. Yeah, do get a prostate check, people. But he always looks like he's being probed. Yeah, sitting there saying, oh, yeah, this is why I don't rate the cup. Look at the Liverpool team they put out. Motherfucker, they're the current holders. They've won it more times than anybody. And he then paid his own money to go to the game.
Yeah. This is what I'm saying.
You don't care about this cup. Yeah, you don't care about the cup. You've paid your own money. You've took your own time out your day. You've gone out in the freezing cold, wind and rain, and you're mugging off the team that have won it the most, that have also put a load of kids out tonight, a whole reserve team pretty much, and made semis.
But then those will be the first people to be online to take a shot at other fans or the team that we beat to win it.
Yeah.
Lee, this is why I said when you're in a situation where you adapt to when you hadn't seen any success or seen silverware, you don't ever turn your nose up at silverware. Now we won this title 15 times, 15 out of the last 15. I still want us to win it. It's silverware. Yeah. It's silverware. You don't turn a chance down to be successful. What Real Madrid gonna call in? You know what? We're not going to the Cup World Cup. That's beneath us. Pachuca, we're not gonna play Pachuca. The hell, who is Pachuca?
Yeah, we're fuck that. We're not gonna go. We're not gonna go to Saudi and play the Super Cup, like the Spanish Super Cup. We ain't gonna do that. Who the fuck are these teams? Who's Girona? Who are Girona?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We Arsenal fans have got to learn to be thankful for these situations. And I know that's what folks like, oh my, I can't believe Matt said that. Because you don't get a chance every day to play for silverware. Or a chance to play for silverware, rather. And so this is why I said the semifinal, this is critical. We're in critical territory. We're in critical territory here. Because this right here, this semifinal, mark my words, ladies and gentlemen, this semifinal is gonna make or break our season. Because if we can't get over this line, these players are gonna start thinking in the psyche. Because this will be the second time we've had a chance to actually get close to doing something and hadn't done it. Remember Manchester City 2 years ago?
Yep.
And we had all we do is get past them. You saw what happened. We end up not doing anything in the league. That was the bigger fish to fry. That was that season. And then now this year we're right here at the semifinal. These players got to have something to believe on, Lee. They've got to have something to believe. Let me tell you, if you want any kind of route to try to at least start making Saliba think that we can get places and not leave, this is it. You got to be able to show something that we can have some form of success at this football club. In this semifinal, in these next 3 games, these next 3 games. For the football club right now. We're in critical territory. This is DEFCON 5. This all hands on deck. All hands on deck, Lee. We gotta win this semifinal. This manager has to do what's right for the football club.
Facts. And on that bombshell, bless up for coming through. Appreciate you always. Southern Gooner on YouTube. What you got coming up on your channel, bro?
Tony Clark Gunner will be with me on Friday, and then this Saturday we'll be here for Malice at the Palace.
Malice at the Palace. And on that bombshell, we are out. I'm going straight live now with Northside and Rashid. We're going to dissect this shit show, which ended up being a result in the end. But then it's been dampened a little bit with the bomber from the brown envelope, which is kind of, I don't know how to look at that, if I'm honest. I'm going to get their thoughts. But bless up, Matty, always.
Make sure y'all tune in to get his thoughts on the brown envelope.
Well, I can't stand Ornstein, bruv. The word in the industry, fuck off. Yeah, the word in the industry is, mate, you're on the payroll. And on that bombshell, we're out. Cronky out.
Tierney's on the way out.